Hey guys, thanks for coming back for another video. Aaron here for the love of tech, and I'm here because I love technology and I make YouTube videos. And you love technology and you like watching YouTube videos. It's like a match made in heaven, me and you. We're meant to be together. If you've been paying attention or you just watched my video from yesterday, you would know that I ordered some Dbrand grip cases along with some What's Inside skins from Zach with Jerry Rigs Everything. And we're going to go ahead, do a quick little install and put it on the actual grip case and see how it looks and feels. Grip cases are completely new to me. They might not be to you. So please just understand I might be a little excited. First thing first, we always want to start with a good clean phone. So they give you a little cloth. So let's go ahead and make sure our phone is nice and clean on all edges all the way around. We have our nice freshly polished phone. We will set it aside and let's start by popping open our grip case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. A couple different things. Got two different sets of skins here. This one obviously is made to go right here on the grip case. That's pretty obvious to me. This one actually has camera cutouts included. So that means that it goes on the camera and that's what it looks like underneath your actual camera cover, which is pretty cool when you think about it. So I think I'm gonna get crazy and put both skins on and just kind of see what happens. Gonna follow this along with me and I'm gonna show you. This one is not as complicated as the other Dbrand skins that I've done in the past. Let's go ahead and start with taking this off and perfectly lining it up. And I think I'm going to start with the camera casing. A little delicate. This is what it looks like. There we go. That's how it lines up. Now you can move it a little bit while it's stuck on there, and I am noticing that, so that is good. So you can make sure that you get a perfect, nice little... I had to make a prediction. That little guy, that really thin guy, is going to come off pretty early on with normal wear and tear. And I don't really think there's any way around that with Dbrand. I don't think that they can prevent it because people are going to use their phones. But just be aware of it. No but. Just realize that this little thing up here, that little thin one, it's going to pull. It's going to come off. So we can just hope that it doesn't take the whole sticker off in its entirety. Moving on to this piece right here. This one should be a little bit easier to put on. We've got that, we've got this, and again, that corner right there does cause a little bit of alarm for me. If you want to see, this is just some really good, I believe it's 3M tape. So that's what this is. Dbrand Skin is just really thick tape that you put on your phone. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. And that's why it sticks on good, and that is why it looks good. I think this camera casing here will definitely be our guide of the phone overall. The camera casing nice and snug. All right, so that looks about good. So here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max skin for the back of the phone. I wouldn't necessarily call this a complete phone skin. I feel that skins wrap all the way around. I really would have loved to have seen that, even if it was just kind of something a little darker, or even you can pick the color of your phone if you wanted to change it to gold or green or whatever. That would have been cool. Just some feedback for you there, Dbrand, if you're listening to me. So here it is. It looks pretty amazing. This is, it almost looks like I'm showing you the inside of my phone, right? That's what it looks like, because that's what it is. This is the inside of the phone. And I think putting on the skin on the Dbrand grip is going to be even easier, but we'll go ahead and do it since we're already here together. So easy peasy. You don't have that camera casing that you need to worry about. So you just kind of peel it and put it on. Now, why this didn't come already pre-applied, I don't know. I guess Dbrand figured, you know, we can pull it off and put other skins on it in case we wanted to, but I would have been okay if it came pre-installed. Again, I'm using the camera casing to guide where I'm putting the skin on the grip. And it looks like it's a pretty snug fit, if I do say so myself. This side here does look a little lippy, like it's up a little bit more but it is completely lined up, so it could just be a little bit extra on the way that they were cut. But either way, it's not a bad look, and I don't think it's going to jeopardize the actual skin. So here we have it, apple, apple. There it is. And I'm actually going to throw this in here, and then we'll kind of get the full effect, right, with the camera. See how we did that? See how we did that, guys? Pretty cool, huh? So that is it with the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Pretty nifty, pretty neat. The grip case, there are some stuff here, some little grips. This is a grip case. It's so you can hold your phone and not drop it. I like it. I like how it looks. I like how it feels. I like that I have this on there now. It's a little different. It's a little unique, and I'm totally into it. So thank you, Zach with Jerry Works Everything, and thank you, Dbrand Skin, for making this cute little product. I had a lot of fun ordering it, anticipation, putting it on. Sorry it took me so long to actually make this video. It was the holidays, and that kind of took over my whole entire life. If you like what you saw today, please consider hitting that subscribe button. If you really like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like what you saw, there's a button for you, but then you're going to end up on my own personal naughty list, because if you hit that thumbs up button, I know who you are. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.